Hey, meet Neeraj. It's been ages since we've caught up. I've been dabbling in some exciting tech to boost our daily grind at work, and guess what? I'm not just talking about the latest smartphone features. Nope, I'm sharing how we can personalize our Microsoft Office experience with some handy add-ins. It's like giving our digital tools a sleek makeover, and I think it can genuinely impact our efficiency. So, let me walk you through this. First off, these Office add-ins, they are not just your regular software plugins. They're crafted pieces of magic which enhance the capabilities of familiar apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Imagine writing a complex document with automated tables of contents or using OneNote's collaborative features to create project timelines that everyone on our team can access in real time. It's that simple, yet profoundly transformative when done right. Now, let's dive right into the heart of things. For starters, a senior cloud architect like myself, working closely on strategic deployments and having a firm grip on Microsoft's cloud offerings, would appreciate the seamless integration add-ins provide with Microsoft's cloud services. Picture this: you draft an expansive report, and with the tap of a button, relevant data pours in automatically from Azure and Teams, without a second thought. It's like having a personal assistant in your Excel spreadsheet. These Office add-ins are built with the Office ecosystem in mind, meaning good architectural practices ensure they're compatible with various Office client versions and respect the limitations and possibilities of the platform. Think of them as the unsung hero of productivity, where the tooling is intuitive and your interaction with the software remains uninterrupted. I've been testing deploying them via Visual Studio, and it's been a journey of discovery. This software, it speaks the lingua franca of the Microsoft ecosystem, so it ticks most boxes for seamless deployment and updates. Now to the crux of the matter: configuration. You take a well-known add-in, let's opt for Office Articles, for a quick search, and installing is as straightforward as a right-click, a simple double-click, or navigating through your Microsoft Start menu. Once activated, it's like the add-in whisks itself into action, integrating beautifully with the workflow of our existing work. Customers or users get hooked to the features like article generator or research aggregator with a simple drag and drop, or perhaps quick insert commands. Effortless, isn't it? But wait, I sense some skeptics in the air, so let's talk common stumbling blocks. First, connectivity issues. We've all faced those moments of frustration with dropped connections or slow lags. Here's where good add-in design plays a role. Using asynchronous fetching and caching methods ensures our workflow remains smooth, regardless of the network hiccups. Then there's compatibility, always good to test across different Office editions, yes. And don't even get me started on user permissions. Add-ins are like social butterflies, they only fly where they're welcomed, and that's where administrative access comes into play. I digress into nitty-gritty, but remember, troubleshooting here is a form of art. It's about patience, understanding permissions, and following best practices in data security. Oh, and let's not ignore documentation and community support. There are allies in staying updated and finding answers to the intricacy of issues. So here's where I stand: the strategic importance of Office add-ins is irrefutable. Customizing our working environment with them, it's like upgrading to the most refined automobile within our familiar garage. They empower us, improve our productivity, and elevate our professional tasks to new heights. By customizing our Office clients with add-ins, We are writing a new chapter in our professional saga, one where we have the tools to excel in the modern workspace. And hey, I've got all the resources right at my fingertips, which I highly recommend to explore if you are curious. There's a vast ocean out there, and like true tech enthusiasts, let's not just dip our toes but paddle out there together, discovering new lands of efficiency and innovation. So before you wrap up this little tech chat, do me a favor, will you? Head over to neeraj.qzz.io. This is where the real explorers find the latest and greatest of tech tidbits. Subscribe to TechLab, join the community, share your discoveries, and let's continue to make our work lives not just manageable, but magnificent. Till our next enlightening tech rendezvous, here's to empowering our Microsoft Office clients with bespoke add-ins and to a future where every click and keystroke brings us closer to unrivaled professional excellence. Cheers to innovation, and here's to saying goodbye to conventional ways of workflow.